Ma also, we're daf yud Aleph Amid base. What did he do? Above and bitte. Shalach baby shloishes alof and tzoyim betzoyim keda, the best sheep. Bikrim in movement. Amid by a bite omalem shema. Only ache basis roa. Kol mishu. Roitze yovi oiris yovi. Yismach. Yovi shlomem. Yovi yismach. Boise shah nik balochki besil. Omar what dover. Marisu by Loza the Omer Kisharisa by Amalia. When you need to fill up a beam, some of the case of the refuah of the summer, the case Menei, it's the best to fill it up from the kism from itself. It means from Tamid Bashamai, they should come to refuah. Kol gumna de lekavi b'shaita lekavi. A cold that doesn't give out heat when it's in the when the time is means when it's supposed to give out, it's not going to give out anymore. Here also, right now is the time when it was a big machloikas. That's when you needed to hear the voice that the loch is kivas hill. Shiv ma'ase be'echad and tamida be'sil shevi los lazara samach lev roich tamid b'sham only mazi smicha. Because Shami says you cannot make smicha only mazi shtika. Why aren't you quiet? Shit koi zifa b'halachloi. Finally, he left. He yelled at him. Zog the Mishnah. Shami oimrim le'yoachim odim chamal ragel ken ruin l'shtia. Shami says the only way you're allowed to do it if it's the water is roy l'shtia. Even water that's not roy l'shtia, you can do it just to warm up your feet. Let's say you have salty water or something, it's not roy l'shtia. You're allowed to do it because you can do it for chitza. Not a din. Also, a person is allowed to make a fire. Like, if a person is cold, he can just heat up wood and warm himself up. Let's talk the Gemara. Pasala train pisrin. There's two pshatim how to learn this Mishnah. One halach goes like this: Adait in the Bashamai visha shalsemahem. According to Bashamai, it's only mutter if he actually drinks the water. I doubt that Vasil visha he ruined the shtir. That's one mahalach. That they both agree that has to be roy the shtir. The question is, according to Bashama, you also have to drink actually from it. But according to that, even Basil only allows something that has to do with drinking water. So you must say that there's actually a water bottle there because he doesn't allow other hanoas haguf. So what's pshat? You must say that he's actually warming up water, and everybody would agree according to that, because if there's water, if Shami says if you drink the water, no problem. So the sefer everybody agrees to. That's one mahalach in this mission. Possibly pasa ochran al dayat in the Bashamai v'ushe ruin l'shtir. But that's Vasil apshe in ruin l'shtir. Vasil says no. Even if you have salty water, Vasil is matter sha'ar nois also. He's matter to be just to take a bath, not the whole body, but the point of view of the veraglov, he's matter even though it's not roy the shtir b'chlal. Vashami says ruin the shtir. As long as it's roy the shtir, even though he actually doesn't want to drink from it, it's roy the shtir is enough. So Shammai holds here. Obviously, there's no. You must have this thing that you should don't want water to drink. But the Shammai says has to be roy the shtir, so at least it has to be. It has to. If you want, at least you can drink it. And here there's no drinking involved. So you must have a kumkum. Because he holds that every hanos haguf is mutter. The Gemara says now, Chamash hochum b'yonte b'chein Chamash hochum b'erev Shabbos Shabbos. Rav Shmuel, Chad Omer Marchet ben Panav Yodav Rag. You're allowed to wash your face and your hands and your feet. Yeah, the pass like Basil, you're allowed to warm up water on Yontev just for these for Panav Yodav Rag. Or even if it's Huchem from Erev Shabbos, the Chazal goes there not do Rechitza on Shabbos, but for these three Ivarim Yiladi. You can do the whole body, just each Ava separately. Leon Man Amadam Amadam. Do you know who says what? Rav Shmuel. Who says that you can do each Ava separately? And Ma'ad Ton Shmuel, Marchet Ben Ton of Yodav Raglo, Rav Machti Leverba. According to Rav, you're allowed to do even every Ava, every body. Just do it separately. Don't do it in one shot. That should make a shinui. And it goes also on Yom Tov. You let it warm up water on Yom Tov and then do each Ava separately. That's what it sounds, but not clear. Maybe this only goes on Chaman Shehuchim Erev Shabbos. Chad Philosophers Shol Bakapara. And some say Abba Shol Levi Sarisa. He asked the question: Mitter Rishtes Vasa Lerchetz? What's up, shot? Why is Shtia Mutter on Yom Tov and is also to do rechitza? Even according to Vasily, you can do kol gufa. What's the difference? Why? Can't you wash your whole body on Yom Tov? So he answered. I think the Levi Sarisa here is a mistake. It doesn't add up. I think it's the word source later. Levi Sarisa. No, he said he answered back he answered back the he answered back that I'm gonna erase it. It doesn't. He said if you see a Saurus is hugging your wife, wouldn't you be upset? What do you care? It doesn't what it doesn't do any bad. The Saurus doesn't can't do anything. When she's disparate, I don't want my wife to become perutza. When she's disparate, it's like saying it's a gather not to do too many malachas. You start doing mechitza, you do other malachas. Kimush Yatza, after this guy left, Amle Talmida of Rabbi, Amle Talmida of Rabbi, Rozeh, to this person, the Chisa Bakana, you just pushed him away. Lano Matam Eshiv, Amlehem, like Vanemesh, Osel Nefat Yosem, and that's supposed to get says only Dava Shaval Chol Nefesh. The Chitza is not Shaval Chol Nefesh. It's a tiny Giseir. Shloish Dvarim Gamliel Machim Kedim Basham. In Tomin Mesachamen, Yom Tov the Shabbos. You cannot prepare hot water from Yom Tov the Shabbos. You have